How to remove highlighted text in Adobe Acrobat. Let's go. I am using the web version. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in, then click All Tools from the top. Select Add Comments from the list. Upload your PDF file that contains the highlighted text. Once the file opens, look at the link toolbar. If you don't see it, click the comment bubble icon on the right to activate it. Now, find the highlighted area in your document. Click directly on the highlighted text. A small floating toolbar will appear. Click the trash bin icon or choose delete. And boom, it's gone. Click save in the top right to lock in your changes if you are using the app. Make sure you are in the add comments mode. Highlights don't display are removable. But if the highlight was part of the scanned document or added from another source, it may not be editable in the free version. And that's how you remove highlighted text in Adobe Acrobat Web. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.